In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Kucoin in under 98.6 seconds. Whether you're new to trading or have some experience, understanding how to properly set a stop loss is crucial to protecting your investments. So, let's dive in and take you through this process step by step to ensure you have all the tools needed to set your stop loss effectively. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Kucoin website, which is the starting point for our tutorial. If you're not already familiar with Kucoin, it's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can trade a variety of digital currencies. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. So, go ahead and click on the Login button and enter your credentials to gain access to your account. It's important to ensure you're securely logged in to prevent any unauthorized access to your trading activities. Once you're logged in, head over to the Kucoin homepage. Here, you'll find your personal account dashboard and all the trading tools available on the platform. Navigate to the Trade section, which is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Click on Trade to move forward. In the Trade section, you'll notice various options, but what we're interested in is the Trading Bot. Click on it to explore the automated trading capabilities that Kucoin offers. The trading bots can help simplify complex investment strategies, making them accessible for everyday traders like us. Now, within the trading bot interface, you'll see an option that says Auto. Clicking on Auto streamlines the trading process by allowing predefined parameters to dictate trades based on your guidance. With the Auto feature activated, you might want to consider delving into the advanced settings, although this is completely optional. If you're curious about tweaking or refining your trading strategy, this might be where you spend some additional time. Now comes the pivotal part of our tutorial: setting the stop loss price. In this section, you'll see an option that explicitly states stop loss price. Click on that to start entering your stop loss value. This stop loss feature is designed to automatically sell a security once it reaches a certain price, safeguarding your investment from significant losses during unexpected market drops. And that's it. You've successfully set a stop loss on Kucoin in just a few easy steps. Understanding how to use stop losses can make a big difference in managing risk and protecting your assets while trading. Remember to monitor your investments regularly and adjust your stop loss orders as necessary to align with your trading objectives. Thanks for watching and happy trading on Kucoin.